Wouldn't it be great if you could just send out a couple emails and make a few $1,000s? Well, in this video, I'm going to break down a 9 email campaign that made us slightly more than $20,000 in just 5 days. Editor, roll the intro and let's dive right into it. We're here inside the world's best email marketing solution, Mailview, and as you can see here, our promotion started right around 4th of um, March, January, February, March, yes, and it ended 8th of March. Now, as you can see, there are more than 9 emails in here, but that's because we've been basically segmenting our list, so it's the same email content if I show you here. So don't go berserk in the comments. But basically, are you ready to unlock the secret? And then wait, which one did I open? Are you ready to unlock the secret? Yeah. So basically, these are the two campaigns that have been sent to different segments. As you can see here, one segment is roughly 8,000 and the other one is 2,600 people. So probably around 11,000 people in total. And of course, I'll first show you the results that we achieved. Now, I'm in here in my JVZoo account, and as you see here, we made $19,000 just promoting the product itself. And then if I come over here and show you, we also won some affiliate cash prizes for being one of the best affiliates that were promoting this product. So we won $2,000 on the main contest, and then we won another $1,000 on the opening contest. So that's about $3,000 more. So all in all, we made about $22,000 throughout this campaign, and it only took us 5 days of promoting it. Now, let me pull up my whiteboard and I'll show you how to completely replicate something like this. Alrighty, the whiteboard is here. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. I don't want a template. I will start with a blank canvas and with a black pen. Okay, now the crucial thing that most people miss when going into a promotion is the fact that the promotion doesn't start on the day you actually start emailing. It starts way before that, and that's the part where you actually prepare for the promo, right? And this is where I want you to put at least 70% of your entire campaign's effort, because this is gonna make or break your campaign. And I'll explain why. Because the way this particular promotion was structured was this product was releasing on a platform called JVZoo, and it was a software that was related to social media. I think Instagram, if I'm not forgetting. It's been a few months now since we've promoted this thing. So the way this promotion was structured, or this particular product sales funnel was structured, was they have like a typical sales funnel. So like $27 to, and then upsells that were ranging from 97 to 197, and then also some additional recurring revenue. Now they also had a deal where a user could get this entire package for a much discounted price, which was about $297 plus $27 a month. Now the affiliates that promoted this get to keep 50% of the commission. So we were going to earn roughly $150 per sale. So what we decided was, instead of promoting the traditional funnel, we're just gonna focus on promoting the bundle deal, which included everything. And The way we structured the promotion was we never sent any traffic to this particular deal at all. So we literally sent zero traffic here, and we focused driving all of our traffic, and focusing all of our effort onto the bundle deal. Now, how does that work? Well, to now, for a successful promotion, the first thing that you have to ensure is the fact that number one, the product is good, and number two, the product fits your audience, right? Because if it doesn't fit your audience, it doesn't matter how good of a product it is, it's not gonna work. So you have to, like, if your audience is interested in crypto, don't go and sell them something that's related to gaming, or vice versa. So you have to ensure that the product fits your audience completely. Now, typically our audience consists of people that run small businesses, and for them, being present on social media is kind of a key to make sure they actually make money from the business. So that's the thing that we highly touched on. And we didn't just directed traffic to our affiliate link. What we did instead was we hosted a live webinar, and this is where we drove all of our traffic to. And we were explicitly clear that it's going to be only a live session with no replays. So if they missed out, they'll miss out for good. And the angle what we took was that we're gonna show you how to generate leads from social media on this live session, and we basically drove all of our effort here. Now, not just that, we also gave them access to a few bonuses that they could only get if they purchased the product via us. And again, this all comes way before you even begin the promotion. So you have to plan this out in advance to make sure you actually go about making any profit or any substantial profit from your promotion. So we gave them two bonuses. One, a cold email marketing solution so that they can reach out to people. And then two, we gave them a B2B lead finding software. So we really stacked up the value high here, right? And that's essentially the key when it comes to selling anything, and especially if you're selling anything as an affiliate. Now we stacked this up, we drove all the traffic to our webinar, and we pushed real scarcity that this will be a one-time session only with no replays at all. And we got as many people as we could on the live session. I think we had somewhere around 80 to 90 people. And at the end of the webinar, we pitched them this entire offer, including the product that we were promoting, and then addressing the fact that we're going to give you these two exclusive bonuses that you're not going to find anywhere. And this is essentially what we did. So we mailed them for 3 days to get on this webinar. Then we ran this webinar, and after that, what we did was, since we promised that there's not going to be a replay for this particular session, instead of sending out a replay for the full 2 hour session, we just shot a short 15-minute video where we gave them a breakdown of what's included when they pick up the product that we were promoting from our link. And we obviously told them all about the bonuses that we were giving alongside of what the product itself does and how all three of these fit together to kind of make it a complete deal. Now, let me just show you the breakdown of the emails that we actually sent. So if I could come over to mail view, now you'll see here the first email that we sent was just a pre-sale email where we kind of teased the idea that hey, we have something pretty cool for you. Tomorrow I've got something really special coming up for you, a case study that goes behind the scenes and shows you how we made $560 from just 1 hour of work. This is really incredible and no one is teaching this right now. Reply to this email if you want to know how we did this and how you can too. So basically just hyping it up and building some excitement. And we actually did get quite a few replies, maybe about 4 to 5 dozen replies overall. Then the next email again built upon the last email, and in here we went with what an amazing response. So we've decided to do something incredible. If you're anything like us, you've spent more money on ads than you care to admit. And let's be honest, those ads probably didn't even bring in the kind of leads you were hoping for. So again, we led with the fact that people are using ads to generate leads, but we have found a way to generate leads for free, and we're revealing it on the webinar. And this is where we basically prepared an entire training that was roughly 2 hours long, where we not only showed them how to generate leads for free via social media, and we also showed them how they can plug the software that we were promoting to automate the process. And then at the end, we basically gave them the bonuses as well. So, we showed them how they can utilize our bonuses to cold email and outreach the prospects and all. So that's basically how we built up this entire campaign. So all the way up to 7 emails, we just pushed out the webinar and tried our best to get as many people on the webinar as we could. And then the next day we basically send them an email that hey, this is not the webinar, but we're only opening this for 5 more people and it's going to expire tonight. So we pushed that for 1 more day, and after that this deal was gone. And by the end of it, we ended up collecting about $22,000. So yeah, that's how you actually create an, an email marketing campaign that performs decently for you. Now, this particular campaign that I showed you was for an affiliate product, which means we earn 50% commissions, and that was what made $22,000. But if you just take into account the overall revenue, we made $19,000. So multiply that by two, $38,000 was the amount of revenue we drove doing this exact thing that I just broke down for you. So, really powerful stuff. I hope you go ahead and implement this and actually start making some serious cash with your emails. And again, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe so I can keep on annoying you. Cheers.